Hi, I'm Imran, and I hope you are very well wherever you are. So, guys, I will explain in this video what the modern and efficient ITAD and IT recycling software can do for you. So, if you are involved in the business of moving lots of computers, laptops, and IT related equipment, then you have come to the right location. So, let me show you how this software can help you. So, as you can see, we have a couple of systems. We're doing an inventory, and we just booted one of the laptops through the Wi-Fi. It's just booting up, and all we have to do just boot the system through the network. It will print the barcode label, as you can see this one. So this barcode label is automatically printed. All we have to do just push the power button and boot it from network. That's all. So you can have large number of systems booting at the same time, and you can see we can install operating system such as Windows 10, Windows 11 automatically. So all you have to do just select the operating system, and it's installed across all 100 or 200 systems at the same time. And it doesn't take long. It takes less than 3 4 minutes. If you have a fast network, if you the drives of the hard drives of your system or the NVMe SSDs are fast, they're not slow, then it shouldn't take more than 2 minutes or 3 minutes to install Windows operating system across all 100 systems without even touching the keyboard. So as you can see, we have these two desktops they're booting up. They purely booting through the network cable. So we simply boot it up, press F12 key, and boot from network on board NIC IP version 4. So this is the dashboard you can see on your screen. You can see we have performed inventory on 854 systems so far, and we have 19 OS images that we can deploy to large number of systems. So as you can see on your screen, we have a large number of barcodes printed. So this is a barcode that we printed for one of the desktop that just completed the inventory, and we can simply peel this off and put it onto the desktop. So you can see we have done that, and this desktop is continuing to boot. The whole booting process is less than 1 minute. So the process is completed on the desktop, and it will just print the barcode label as you can see. So this barcode label is printed, and we can do exactly the same thing. Peel this barcode label and just paste it to the system. So that's how simple it is. Simply just pushing the power button and printing the barcode label. Then you can run the inventory report. As you can see, we have the inventory report right in front of us, and you can see all the information is there. We have manufacturer information, the category, the model number, the serial number, and as well as the CPU model, processor information, Core i7, Core i5, and also the cores of the processor, the processor threads, processor clock, overclock speed, the maximum speed, the socket type of the processor, processor bits, RAM, and the type of RAM, DDR3, DDR4, DDR5, the RAM information such as manufacturer information, the serial number of the RAM for each module, and it gives you the speed of the RAM as well, the clock information. And we have all the components on the motherboard. That information is present as well. Storage controllers and the hard drive information such as how big is the hard drive is 500 GB, the hard drive information such as manufacturer information, the serial number of each hard drive, so that each system may have more up to 4 hard drives, and it will collect the information from across all 4 hard drives and store that information into the database. So you can see the hard drive capacities there, and we have the CD, DVD, the network adapter, the wireless adapter, the multimedia, the storage controllers, the webcam information, you know, all that information is there. Then we have the battery information, which is very important because the most laptops, the used laptops, the battery is consumable, and so some batteries might not be so good. So in this case, you can see the information we have. The battery installed, yes, the battery technology is a lithium polymer or other technology, and then gives you the manufacturer of the battery information, the firmware of the battery, the model number of the battery, and also gives you the information if the battery is charging or discharging, or it's just plugged in and not charging for due to some errors, and the manufacturer design capacity of the battery, and then the remaining capacity of the battery, and then the remaining life of the battery, the voltages of the battery, All that information is there. And other than this, there's so much other information that we can attach to each assets, such as if you want to write your own comments, we can have an option to write your own comment for each item. Or if you want to do the automated grading of the system, that's also possible. So the grading can be done based on the question that can be presented to each inventory item when it's booting up. So such as if the laptop is missing any keys, is there any scratches, or if the palm rest is worn, or if the mouse pad is worn out. So we can have that information, and based on the questions answered, we can have automated grading done automatically. So that's also a possibility. But for now, we have disabled those features to speed up the process to make it fully automatic, so we don't have to touch the keyboard. So just simply, power on the system, boot it from network. So we can push the each item to eBay automatically. So by simply clicking a button, as you can see on your screen, we click the button, we decide the price. Let's say we're going to sell this item for 499. Without even opening the eBay or Amazon or your own Shopify store, we can push these items. So decide the price, decide the quantity, and write any comments if you have. If you don't have any comment, you don't have to write. But in this case, we're going to write something. This is a good laptop in mint condition or whatever. So let's write that. So this is a badass laptop. So let's write that in mint condition. So after writing that, we're simply going to press the button submit, and the laptop and the photos of the laptop are automatically pushed to eBay. All the description. You can see the listing result is success, and we can view this item on eBay. Look, we didn't even open the eBay. The item is already there, automatically pushed. So you see how modern and efficient this system is. We got all the information, we got all the Excel sheets, we got all the PDF file that we can send it to customer, as well as we can sell it online. So we decided to sell it for 499. The price is there on eBay. We didn't even write the title. We didn't even write the item specifics. So you see, item specifics are automatically pushed. So the system knows. Okay, so you can see the description. Description is automatically written. We can have multiple templates. If you don't like this design, we can change the design of the description. We can have different color schemes. Or if you want other information to be present in the description, we can do that as well. The information can be conditional. If this condition is matched, then this information will be displayed, or if that condition is matched, then these two information will be displayed in addition to this template. So we can have comments that we written. So just imagine, if we have 100 system, we can push all those 100 system by simply clicking one button to eBay, and all you have to do just receive the order, make a sale, and ship it to your customer. So let's say in this case, if we want to sell it to the wholesale customer, the customer is going to buy 100 system from us. So we can create boxes, we can create box labels, we can create, let's say in one box, we may have 10 systems or maybe 12 laptops and a couple of, Apple Mac minis. So we don't have to, scan and, each and every individual item. So we can create a box. Well, right now, you can see on your screen, we're scanning these boxes, these systems into the inventory management system to create a box. We can create multiple boxes, let's say 100 boxes, each box containing 10 laptops or 20 laptops or 20 systems. So, and then we can create pallets, and we can sell it by box, or we can sell it by pallet by simply scanning the barcode label on the pallet, or by simply scanning the barcode on the box. So, the customer knows exactly what he's buying, what are the serial numbers, what are the capacities of each hard drive, what the RAM type, and the RAM serial number. Because before you make a sale, you can send a spreadsheet or the PDF file of that box to your customer, or of that pallet to your customer. So customer is happy, he knows what he's buying, what he's getting. You are happy because you know what exactly you have in your warehouse, and what exactly you are selling. So you see, we scan, 12 number of items, and it's giving you box content verification. If you're happy with the content, simply click create box. So we created a box, the box is created, and the box serial number is 11. Now we can print the barcode label. We can see the content of the box. So you see all the information is there, the model number, the manufacturer information, category, serial number, processor, you know, and all that. So let's print the barcode label. You see the barcode label is printed for this box, and we have this number 11. So this is an example of existing box that we have. You can see the breakdown by each system. So we have number two Lenovo this model, and then we have one Lenovo of this model. Then we have five of Apple, these models. This is another example of the barcode label. As you can see, it prints the number of systems in each box. So by just looking at the barcode label, you can see, okay, this system contains 18 Lenovo's this model. So we can create palettes. So all you have to do is just keep scanning the barcodes of the boxes, and you can create palettes. So this is a palette barcode example. So you can see the box barcodes are listed on there, and the bottom big barcode is the palette barcode. So in this case, we have this serial number, this number 400031. This is this palette contains 98 boxes. You can see this is a palette, one of the palettes. So it contains 100 items. So let's go back to that example. You can see this barcode, the palette number 31 got five boxes, one, two, three, four, five. So we have five boxes in this palette. So when we want to sell this palette, we simply scan the palette, the barcode, and give the PDF information or the PDF file to your customer and make a sale. And you have the record of all 9,800 items sold in that palette without even touching those items. So you can see this is how the palette barcode looks. So it's fully automated. We didn't collect any of the information manually. It's all collected automatically by the inventory process. Then we created the boxes by just simply scanning the barcodes of each individual item, and then we created the palettes by simply scanning the boxes. So this way you can have a very organized, very neat and efficient and modern warehouse where everything is managed by barcodes. So you scan and sell it, and you scan and you return the things to your warehouse. So in this case, let's scan this barcode for the pallet, and you can see number 31 pallet has five boxes, 98 systems, gives you the breakdown by total notebooks, total desktops, total mini tower, total mini PCs, then gives you the breakdown by the model number of each system, then gives you the breakdown by processor. We have i3 73 systems, then give you the breakdown by processor generation. This box has these many sixth generation processor or 8th gen processor, then gives you breakdown by RAM. So 36 DDR3, 4 GB, and the breakdown by hard disk drive, 74 500 GB. If you click on detail report, it gives you the complete information for each box. And then if you scroll down, you can see, we have all the information by per box. So if you scroll down, we have the complete information for all 98 systems. So all the information is on your fingertips, guys. It's so easy. It doesn't get easier than this. You know, everything is there. You can manage all that information by using a mobile phone, or you can sit in your house, sit on a sofa, manage your entire your warehouse by using a mobile phone or by using, a tablet or a PC. So you can make a sale. So if you want to sell by box, simply scan the box that you want to sell. So we scan this box. Let's scan another box. So we're going to make sale of two boxes. Right? Sell this box. Click on sell this box. Just write the information of the buyer. Click submit. And there you go. It's sold. And the stock is taken out from the warehouse in the database. and the record of the sale is stored in the database. So you can see you sold these two boxes. You can send the PDF file to your customer, or when you make a sale, give him the PDF file to the customer, or give him a printed, information that's what he's buying. So if let's say if the customer, after making that sale, after 2 months, customer brought these two boxes back saying no, he doesn't want it, he changed his mind, or for some other reason he just want to return these boxes. All you have to do, just scan those two barcodes of those two boxes and click on return these boxes to warehouse. So those boxes will go back to your warehouse and ready to sell again. So it's available in the inventory. So let me show you how to do that. So I'm going to scan those two boxes. Scan the first one, that's done. Scan the second one, that's done. Now return these boxes to the warehouse. There you go. So it's returned. Now it's available again to sell it to another customer. So you see how easy it is. So you can streamline your processes of operation. You can view the report. So this is a sales report that we made. You can see the historical report for the last 1 year. You can, view, all that kind of information. So let's see. We made a sale. Let me show you. So here you can see the quantity sold. You can see 712, then 450, then 499 items we sold, for 150, all that. If something is returned, that will show here as well. Like this one is 4 pieces returned by this customer, and the box quantities, how many boxes were in that sale that we sold to customer. You know, well, there's no limit. You can create a box with 100 items or maybe 200 items, so you don't have to do the pallets. So it's up to you how you want to do it. But the functionality is there for you to use. Either use sell by box or sell by pallet. It's up to you. So you can see we clicked on this report, sales report, and we can see these many boxes are there, and each box contains, these many items. That's a historical report, by the way. So, gives you the breakdown by processor, and we have. If you want to dig down into each box, click on the barcode label of the box, and you can see what's inside that box. So this box has 14 systems, with this barcode. So we can store the photos of the box as well in the database. So guys, this is how it looks. It's pretty straightforward. So easy. Makes your life easier. So you see this one, you can store the photo. I deleted that photo unfortunately, so it's not showing up. So guys, you can see, we've done the inventory process by simply booting multiple systems simultaneously, and the information is automatically captured, stored in the database. The labels are printed. We didn't even touch the keyboard. Then we installed the operating system by simply clicking few keys. The Windows operating system is automatically installed. All the drivers are installed. We didn't even touch the keyboard. And then we created boxes. And created boxes, then we created the pallet, then we made some sales, and then we returned some system back into the warehouse. So, all that process is done automatically. All you need just one piece of software, which is automated network inventory software. So all you need one server, a couple of network switches, and a couple of thermal label printers. Um, so hook them up all together and simply start using the system. It's pretty straightforward. There's no rocket science. So let's say if you want to introduce your own business processes into this inventory management system, we can do that. If you want the software to function according to your own needs, according to your own unique business requirements, that's also this software is so much flexible. It can do anything that you desire. Your imagination is the limit. You tell us what exactly you want, and we can make sure that it does exactly the way you want. Guys, the inventory system is there for you to utilize, streamline your business processes, and make your life easier. So the labels you see on your screen, these are the examples that we have designed in the past. And if you want to design something new, or if you have some new idea, we can do that. So this software is currently being used by one of our customer in California, and these are the examples of the pallets that he's creating and selling it to the customers. So guys, if you need information, write in the comments. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye now.